So by building a personal brand, not only are you making sure that your name is mentioned by the right people in the right rooms, but also you may have heard a lot of people, and especially LinkedIn gurus, talk about your personal branding and how it's important to build your personal brand, to be intentional about it, etc. But you might be wondering, why do I need one? I'm not trying to become a personality, a public persona, and I'm not trying to sell anything to anyone. Why would I need a personal brand? The problem here is that you already have a personal brand, whether you want it or not. Personal brand is how people perceive you and describe you in the rooms that you're not in. So if you're not being intentional about that personal brand, intentional about what that brand is, how others perceive you and how they describe you in those rooms, you are missing a huge opportunity. Today we're going to talk about why that is the case, and right after I film this why video, I will be filming the how video. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel not to miss it, and turn on those bell notifications so that you're notified when that next video comes up, because it will be the next upload that I upload. And if we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Masha. I'm a career strategist helping you advocate for yourself in the workplace and grow your career. There's lots of career-related content on my channel, so I hope you enjoy exploring it. All right, back to the personal branding. Why is it important? The difference between building an intentional personal brand and, let it kind of go with the flow is your name being mentioned in those important rooms that you want your name to be mentioned. It could be in the room where people are deciding who is getting promoted. It could be in the room where people are thinking about speakers for the next conference. It could be in so many different rooms, right? And so the fact that you are being intentional about how people are describing you and associating with certain things, with certain elements, that's all about branding, right? Associating with those things, that is the difference between a successful personal brand and a personal brand that doesn't really take you anywhere. So the first reason why building a personal brand is so important is the fact that it can bring you incredible opportunities. It can open doors for you because your name is being mentioned in the rooms that you want it to be mentioned, in front of the decision makers that you want to be exposed to. So by building a personal brand, not only are you making sure that your name is mentioned by the right people in the right rooms, but also that you are being described in the way that you want to be described. You are in control of what that message is, and that is personal branding. Reason number 2 is that a personal brand at work helps you create boundaries and certain expectations with your colleagues. A personal brand is what you are known for. It's essentially your reputation, and it creates expectations in your colleagues' minds regarding your boundaries, regarding what projects you take on, which ones you don't, etc. It kind of creates a filter because people have a better idea of what to approach you with. And so by being intentional about it, by figuring out how to position yourself in a way that serves you, that communicates your boundaries, that shows, that sets expectations with your colleagues in the right way, that is the golden place that you want to get to, essentially. And your personal brand can help you get there. And finally, reason number 3 is that it enables you to focus on things that matter the most to you and to your career. Again, by setting expectations, by making sure that your name is mentioned in the room that brings you opportunities. All of those things work together in order to craft your own career, craft your own life that works for you. Especially if there are causes that you believe in, especially if you have a certain mission in life, and having a personal brand enables you to focus more time and energy on serving those needs, because as part of your reputation, that is the projects that will be popping up on your to-do list. That is the rooms that you will plant the seed, right? Plant your name in, etc. Personal brands are so powerful and can bring you opportunities that you have never thought of, but you got to be intentional about it. But you got to work on it. And there are ways to work on it in your day-to-day life that doesn't add, hours and hours onto your to-do list. So I'm creating a lot of content on the topic. If this is something that you are interested in, make sure you subscribe. I'm also in the process of putting together a workshop and then later down the line, a course on personal branding. So if you want to stay in the loop, or if you're watching this video a few months after and the course is already live, the links will be all in the description. So go ahead and check it out. It will have more in-depth information that I would be able to share on YouTube, and also exercises that will help you craft your own personal brand and get those opportunities, get your name mentioned in those rooms that you want it to be mentioned. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If this is a topic that you are interested to learn more about, give it a like. It really helps with the algorithm. It really helps to spread the message and supports my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comment box below. I'm always listening and I'm always looking for new ways to support you with my content. So let me know what questions you are working through right now, what challenges you are going through right now with your career, your personal brand, etc. And I will do my best to create content for you on the topic. There's also a lot of conversations happening in the community tab of my channel, so I'll see you there as well. That's another place where I source idea for my content, so that's another place where you can leave me a comment, question, etc. As always, you can also find me on social media as Stereotype Breakers. All of the active links are also in the description below. Have a wonderful time today you're currently experiencing. Bye.